Did you know that just 20 minutes of TRX training while traveling can boost your mood as effectively as traditional gym workouts? Let me show you how to stay fit and happy on the go. Meet Sarah, a frequent business traveler who discovered the power of portable TRX suspension training. When hotel gyms and local fitness centers weren't accessible, she simply hooked her TRX straps to her hotel room door. Research shows this versatile equipment maintains aerobic capacity through bodyweight exercises, triggering the release of mood-enhancing serotonin. Studies reveal that consistent TRX workouts stabilize neurotransmitter levels, reducing travel-related stress and anxiety. The secret lies in the suspension system's ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, creating an effective cardiovascular workout in any location. By incorporating just 3 20-minute TRX sessions weekly, travelers can maintain both their fitness levels and emotional well-being, regardless of their destination. Ever wondered how other travelers maintain their workout routine? Share your on-the-go fitness hacks below.